Let's have a look at the new visualization, which is matrix visualization. Matrix visualization is usually used to show more than one dimensions in a tabular fashion. If you look at this example, you have an ear which is represented over here that has a dimension known as quarter, which is shown over here, and it has another value. Within that quarter is a revenue and YTD. So there is a revenue dimension and the YTD revenue dimension, as well as a quarter dimension and a usual running series of the numerics. So this in all has two dimensions running in this chart. Similarly, we can have more dimensions, like I'll show it to you. What does it usually have? It is built of rows and columns and a value. What is a typical usage of this matrix visualization? Matrix are used to show either a stepped data with grouping. It is also used to show more than one dimensions. Additionally, it has aggregate properties which can be made use of. Let's have a look. If we go here and I convert this into a matrix. So for this revenue, this is the rate. So rather than product name, if I give a rows of product name, so for every product name, and I just would like to pull it, this is the rate. And now sometimes you come across such problems. What you would do is you go into format and you would say bring forward, bring to front. So then it becomes the front element. So the dimensioning, the depth can be set by using the format. This is just for your information. Let's increase the size because I want to use this for a while. Let's have a look at this. And this is what the product name is, what is the rate, what is the quantity which is being sold. So this is what it all arrives at. If you have something known as category and subcategory is there, what if I want to categorize it based on this, right? I want to categorize this data. And I want to give a subcategory to it. Quantity, rate. See, this is the category what I have shown. Let's do one thing. Let's move this chart to a new page. Copy visual, move it, paste visual, right click, Control V. There we are. Now let's expand this and you would see the categorization on top of it. So these values are further dimensioned in this fashion. What if I want to add a subcategory as well? What will happen? If there are subcategories, it will move in that fashion. These are the subcategories present over there. And why is that the subcategory is not getting displayed? The reason is this. If you drill down, you are enabling the drill down, and if you drill down further, you will see the subcategories. If you drill up, you would see the categories. What if you want to see categories and subcategories? You will click on this arrow. So it shows the categories as well as subcategories. So this important piece of information is something new which you've not heard in our learning till now, is the drill down option, the drill up option, and single level drill down, level by level, or all level drill down. So this is something which is very helpful. Apart from this, one more interesting point over here is, what if you are working on such piece of information? How do you get the data? You click on show data and it shows you the data in tabular fashion. What if you want to export the data? You can export the summary data into a CSV or another type of file. So overall, this is how you would look into a matrix kind of a data, and this matrix data would take us to another piece of information, which is a tabular data in a while.